Thanks for coming and checking out the video. Well, today I'm going to show you how to disable the automatic electronic parking brake. Super duper easy. All you got to do is put your foot on the brake, press and hold down the button, okay? Check out the dash, keep holding the button. And we'll get a message on the dash. It says electronic parking brake shift interlock function deactivated. Okay, so then we can let go. Give it a quick test. Foot on the brake. Put it in drive, and then we're going to put it in park, and it should normally, the parking brake little indicator should park up right there, just pop up right there, and it doesn't. Okay, so we don't have that anymore. All right, so if you want to reactivate it, it's going to be the opposite way. Foot on the brake, pull up on the button and hold it. You get the message that the shift interlock function is active now. So we go ahead and see here, it says park now in the corner. Go into drive. Now it's not out of park, or it's out of park. Go back into park. Now the parking brake's gonna come on by itself. All right. Super duper easy, super duper cool. And the car remembers this. Once you do this, it holds on to the memory of what you just did. Okay, so it's kind of I want to say it's a permanent thing, but it's not a permanent thing. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I really appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, liking the video, and leave me a comment if you could. Thanks for watching.